There is a strategy that lets you profit from both crypto and stocks at the same time without doubling your risk.
I am going to reveal it in this video, but first, you need to understand something that took me a long time to figure out.
Because one of these two investments has a dirty little secret that nobody on social media is talking about. If you have been following this series, you have already learned what crypto is, how to buy Bitcoin, and the 5 mistakes that destroy portfolios.
At the end of my last video, I asked you a question that I know has been sitting in the back of your mind.
What about stocks? If crypto is this volatile, this emotional, this risky times,
why not just put your money in the stock market and sleep peacefully at night?
I hear this question every single day. And honestly, part of me agrees with it. Because the stock market has a 100-year track record. It is regulated. It is boring in the best possible way. So why would anyone choose the chaos of crypto over the stability of stocks? Here is the answer, and it might not be what you expect. Let me walk you through 5 comparisons, and by the end, you will understand something about your money that most people never figure out. First, returns. Bitcoin has appreciated over 12,000% since 2009. The S&P 500 averages about 10% per year. Now, before you get excited about that 12,000 number, understand what comes with it. In 2022 alone, Bitcoin dropped over 60%. Some altcoins dropped 90% or more. The S&P 500 has never dropped 60% in a single year in its entire history. So yes, crypto can make you more money, but it can also take more money from you, faster than you ever imagined possible. Second, Mike, volatility. Bitcoin can swing 10 to 20% in a single week. Most stocks move 1 to 2%. If you are the kind of person who checks your portfolio every hour and feels physically sick when it drops, crypto will destroy your mental health. I am not exaggerating. I have seen people lose sleep, lose relationships, lose their ability to focus at work past, all because they could not handle the swings. Stocks are a smoother ride. That matters more than most people admit. Third one, accessibility. This is where crypto genuinely shines. The crypto market never closes. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. You can start with $1. You do not need a brokerage account. You do not need to live in a specific country. A teenager in Lagos has the same access to Bitcoin as a banker in New York. The stock market cannot offer that. Fourth wing, regulation and safety. And this is the dirty secret I mentioned at the beginning. When you buy stocks through a regulated broker, your assets are typically insured. If the broker goes bankrupt, you are protected. In crypto, that protection barely exists. Over $2 billion was stolen from crypto exchanges in just the first half of 2025. $2 billion. If your exchange gets hacked and your crypto disappears, there is no insurance company writing you a check. Now, regulation is improving, Pies. 2026 has brought clearer frameworks in the US and EU power, but we are still years away from the level of protection the stock market offers. Fifth main, and this is the one that matters most, Pence. Who is each investment actually for? Stocks are for people who want slow, steady, predictable growth. If you are saving for retirement 30 years from now, and you want to set it and forget it, a diversified stock portfolio is one of the greatest wealth-building tools ever created. Crypto is for people who believe in the technology, who have the stomach for volatility, and who are willing to educate themselves deeply before putting real money at risk. But here is what nobody tells you. You do not have to choose. And this is the strategy I promised you at the beginning of this video. It is called the core and satellite approach, and it is used by some of the smartest investors in the world, and yet almost nobody in the crypto space talks about it. Here is how it works. 70 to 80% of your money goes into your core tool. Stable, proven investments like index funds, blue chip stocks, maybe some bonds. This is your foundation. It is boring. It is safe. It grows slowly and reliably. Then 20 to 30% goes into your satellite stocks, higher growth, higher risk assets like crypto. This is your upside, your opportunity for outsized returns. The beauty of this approach is that even if your satellite crashes 50%, your overall wealth is still protected by the core. You are not gambling your future. You are strategically positioned for growth while keeping a safety net underneath you. When the market drops worrying, and it always drops worrying, they lose everything. The people who build real, lasting wealth. Now, whether you lean more toward stocks, more toward crypto, or use the core and satellite approach pre-phone,
And there is one thing that separates winners from losers in both markets. Education.
Understanding what you own and why you own it. And this is where most people fail, because they skip the learning and jump straight to the buying. The course I recommend in the description below does something I have not seen anywhere else, the Carry. It teaches you how to think about investments, not just what to buy. It covers crypto strategies, portfolio construction, risk management, and the exact frameworks that help you make decisions.
Link is in the description. Affiliate link, no extra cost to you. So now you know the truth about crypto versus stocks.
You know the pros, the cons, the risks, and the strategy that lets you benefit from both. But here is what has been nagging at me. I can give you all the comparisons in the world. I can show you data, charts, strategies. But none of that matters if you do not know how to actually earn this stuff efficiently. Because I have seen people spend 6 months watching random YouTube videos and still not understand the basics. And I have seen people go from zero to confident investor in 8 weeks, Hewitt, with the right approach. In my next video, I am going to share the exact 4-stage learning roadmap I would follow if I had to start from scratch today. Stage by stage, week by week, no fluff. But I need to warn you about something, Thrive. Stage 3 is where 90% of people get it wrong. They think they are ready to diversify, ready to explore altcoins, ready to get aggressive. That overconfidence is the single most expensive mistake in all of crypto. I will show you exactly what to do instead.